Hello, grade 5 students. This is Mrs. K. In our lesson this week, we'll continue How Do You Let Your Light Shine on Others, Part 2. Light has one primary purpose: to stop darkness. That is, imagine sitting in a large auditorium with no lights on and no windows to let in natural light. It would be in pitch darkness. But if one person would light a match, everyone would see it. The light of one small match can stop the darkness of an entire room. It doesn't take a huge spotlight to make a difference. This is the activity. You may draw, design a poster, poem, write a poem, or take a photo describing how you let your light shine on others. And I have some examples here: caring, kindness, and sharing. Looking forward to your creativity.